I got feedback a while ago on a couple of my reviews on the containers and on this piece right here. And a couple of my viewers gave me some pointers, and I thought I'd pass them along to you. I thought they were awesome. And so here we go. We'll start off with this one. So if you saw that review, one of the things that I didn't like about this particular container was that the box didn't really tighten up in here. To be honest, when I saw the tip on this one, I felt really stupid. So all you got to do is, this has little tabs on it right here on the back and on both sides. All you got to do is bend those in a little bit. Like that. That takes care of the problem. Thank you for suggesting that. I wish I had thought of it. So my other review was on these cases from Harbor Freight, and I really like them, with the exception that you can't get these labels off. When you try to get these labels off, get this even started, it consistently rips. You can see that. It will consistently rip, and you can't get it off. One of my viewers provided this tip. Get your handy dandy WD-40, spray that on there, all over it. Let it sit for 30 minutes, and then the label will come off. So let's go ahead and we'll let this sit for 30 minutes, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so it's only been about 20 minutes, but I'm impatient. If you've ever been around me, you realize that I am impatient. So let's go ahead. I grabbed a little plastic scraper to help with this. Not sure if this worked or not. I can see that it has like soaked into the edge around here. So I don't know if maybe I need to get it torn off a little bit like that or whatnot, but let's give it a shot and see if it worked. Grab some paper towels here. This might be a process to let it soak in a little bit more, tear it off and then let it soak in. I've never done this before, so I'm kind of learning as I'm going, but let's go ahead and see what we get here. And get my scraper to bite it all. Oops, you know what? Helps if I put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. Spread that WD over that. Let that soak in. Again, just have not really let that soak in the areas that I just peeled off. So let's see if that's working at all. On that edge, it worked. That's what. And so spread that WD over that. Let that soak in. I'm gonna let it soak a couple more minutes. It is kind of an iterative process, it looks like, where you need to peel this top piece off and then let the WD soak into it. And all I'm doing right now is just moving that WD that's not directly on the label back onto the label. Oh, look at that. It's coming right off. Where it's been soaking even just for a couple of minutes. Look at that. It's coming off nice and clean. Look at that. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so wherever it is soaked through the under part of the label, it's coming right off. This is freaking awesome. And it's coming off with no residue. There's no glue. Look at that. Oh, that's great. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. Look at that. Oh, awesome. Oh, look at that. Whole last piece came right off. That's fantastic. Wipe the excess off here. Sure, if I was to put a label or whatnot on this now, I'd probably have to clean it with alcohol before I can get it to stick because of all the WD that's on this. But that is fantastic. Look at that. Nice and clean. No glue residue. That is awesome. Thanks, guys, for the tips that you sent in. This, again, worked really well getting this off. I really appreciate the feedback. And yeah, if you have any other tips or tricks or whatnot, please shoot them to me, and we'll give them a shot here on the channel. See how they turn out. Really, really happy with this. So, again, thank you. And if you like what you see here on the channel, please like and subscribe for more content, and hope to see you out there.